And here is the twist. The best skills can be ignored if your format sucks. So today we are giving him and you the smartest resume format every fresher should use to get noticed. And trust me, this format will be loved by all the recruiters. But before moving forward, let me tell you a top secret. That is, your resume goes through 3 rounds to get shortlisted. And and the third one, no one speaks about. But about. But here at Decode Bytes, we cover it all. So subscribe Decode Bytes. Don't forget to join our Telegram group. Let's begin. Most of the freshers think resume equal to colors, boxes, shapes, fancy templates, designs, and whatnot. But here's the twist. 80% of the companies use ATS to filter your resume. This is the first step that your resume goes through. And if your resume contains those colors, designs, fancy templates, then the result is rejection because ATS can't read them. And here's the biggest twist. That is, recruiters spend an average of just 6 seconds to scan your resume. They don't spend hours reading your resume. So, how to make a resume which is both loved by the ATS as well as the recruiters? Here we will be solving it all. So, let's begin and please stay till the end. Watch to gain more tips. If you are a fresher, keep it your resume one page. And if you have experience like less than 6 years of experience, keep your resume one page. But if you have more than 6 years of experience, then keep it 2 pages. The order in which the resume should be is in this way. So now you have the smartest resume format. So you know how to make the recruiters love your resume. But we have also 2 stages more. That is, it is friendly resume tips and also the stage 3 which is not covered by everyone and I will be revealing it soon. So see the first 3 sections. The first 3 sections are the header section, summary section and the skill sections. The education section is at the end because your recruiter does not want to see how much marks you have gained or scored. The only thing he notices is what work you have done and what you can bring to the table. Keep the fonts Caliber or Arial and the margins 0.5 inch. The font size should be 10 to 5 for the sleek it is friendly look. That's all about the pro tip. So let's begin with the header section. The header section, that is the first section in your resume. As I have previously mentioned about it, you can go and check it out. The link is in the description. The header section, as I have said in the previous video also, should be clean and minimal. Keep it simple. Keep your name bigger and bolder in size, your LinkedIn profile, add your GitHub profile, and then email address and phone number, and not much. This is what recruiter wants. The profile summary section. The profile summary section is the second section, and this is very important to set the POV of what you can bring to the table and what you have already done, what skills you have. So fill it with keywords and achievements. So please stop that generic lines. Every fresher, what they do is they copy paste generic lines, but avoid this. I will give you a formula by which you can avoid this. This is displayed on the screen. As you can see on the screen, you use this formula to make unique profile summary section. And to make it even easier, now this takes us to the most important section, that is the skill section. The skill section where the recruiters as well as the ATS can thoroughly. And most of the freshers, what they do is they simply copy paste the skills from the internet or they dump everything they know into one section. But you should keep it clean, categorized, and ATS friendly to boost your ATS resume. And how you should do it. This is displayed on the screen. You can see there are different categories like tools and platforms, like core concepts, like programming skills. Categorize everything so that recruiter can scan it easily as well as the ATS. Alright, now we have nailed the header section, summary section, and the skill section. every recruiter notices it first. So, like this breakdown, so stay tuned for the part 3, where we will be covering rest sections like a pro. Wait.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है.
Are you also unknowingly killing your resume with these ATS mistakes? Let's discuss about the biggest don'ts that you should do to avoid your ATS score to become zero. So today you have learned about the smartest resume format, how to master the top 3 sections, and how to avoid the don'ts which can make or break your ATS score. Stay tuned for the part 3 where I will be sharing killer content secrets to make your resume top notch. Thank you. This is your host Bhumika signing off.